In this video, I'll show you how to post GIFs on Bluesky. All right, it could be GIFs or GIFs. Now, all we're going to do is just make a new post right here. Now, as you can see here, it is available on both Bluesky app and the web version. Just click on GIF right here. All right, as you can see, Tender will load. And you can just find your favorite GIFs right here. For example, this one. All right, and to add in some description. Let's say I'm out. All right, once done, just hit on post. As you can see here, it is uploading link thumbnail. Just wait for it to finish. Now, as you can see here, we have just posted our GIF. Now, what if you wanted to upload a custom GIF that you can't find here on Bluesky? So what we're going to do is just open up our favorite browser and type in any GIF that you want. For example, meme GIFs. All right, meme. Hit enter. As you can see here, there are a ton of GIFs right here available. Let's say, for example, I wanted to add this this one right here, Shrek. I'm going to click on it and wait for the GIF to load or to play. Now, once it plays, right click on it, open image, and then you tab. This one will open. All right. Now, right click on it again and hit on save image as. Save it on your desktop or your phone storage. Save. Once it's done, go back to Bluesky. Upload a photo right here. Click on it. Go to your desktop. Select the GIF. Now just go ahead and type in your description. For example, what's up? And hit on post. All right. As you can see here, we have just added our new GIF. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.